In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name in Notion. Updating your display name helps ensure collaborators see the name you want whenever you share pages, leave comments, or work together. Open Notion on your computer or in your web browser. Click Settings in the left sidebar, then open the My Account or Account section, depending on your version of Notion. Locate the preferred name field near the top of the page. Click in the field, remove your current name if needed, and enter the new name you'd like to use. If your version of Notion has a Save Changes button, click it to apply the update. Some versions save your changes automatically, so simply wait a few moments for the new name to sync across your account. Your updated name will now appear when you comment on pages, collaborate with others, or share content from your Notion workspace. If your new name doesn't appear right away, refresh Notion, make sure you're signed into the correct account, and allow a few moments for the changes to sync. That's how to change your name in Notion. Thanks for watching.